What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. In this video, we're going to be talking about our next resource, Modern States. So for those of you that don't know, Modern States is put on by the Modern States organization, and they actually have a partnership with the College Board. Now, this is pretty incredible. When I found out about this, I was, wow, damn, that's crazy. This is amazing. They want you to pass your CLEP exam so bad to the point where they've gotten together a bunch of professors to actually teach you the material. How amazing is that? There's another program that they have, freshman year for free. If you go through every single class or whatever it is that you are studying for, you go through the whole module that they have, and you take the practice test. I believe at the end of the module there's a practice test. They will give you a voucher to take your exam for free. That, mind blown. You don't even have to pay for the exam. Come on, man, you can't beat that. So we're gonna go over here to course catalog, and we're gonna go into the American government course. So I believe I already have this course in my queue. Here we are. Now we're here. We're in the American government course, and we're gonna resume the course. This is Professor Rebecca Lubot. I'm probably not pronouncing her name, and you get an introduction from all the professors, which is really cool. If you look up at the top here, you will see pretty much everything you need, and there's a lot of good information in here, man. Like, here's Emily Paulson, executive director of the CLEP program, and she's gonna talk to you about Modern States and how the partnership with them and all the beautiful things that they've got going on. So just, it's a fantastic resource, okay? I think it'd be beneficial if you go through and just listen and watch all the videos, get a better understanding of what the program is and what they offer and all that good stuff. And then of course there's your syllabus. It's gonna have all your information. I wonder what textbook they use. I wonder, oh my, OpenStax. Modern States, the organization that partners with the CLEP program to help you pass your exam, uses OpenStax as the textbook of the course. So this is like your discussions tab, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I haven't clicked into this before. I think it's like a forum. You can dive into it and check it out for yourself, but it's here. And then of course there's a progress tracker here, so you can see what you've done, how long it's taking you to get certain modules completed. Now we're down here. This is the section underneath the course tab. At the bottom is where you're going to find all your videos. Introduction to the institutions, policy process, presidency, bureaucracy, and Congress, something we've already talked about. Let's learn about Congress.
Article 1 of the Constitution is a long, involved article and sets up a bicameral legislature, the House of Representatives.
It can be a little dry sometimes, all right? It can be a little dry and a little vague, all right? Just putting that out there. Don't let that deter you from using this as a resource, because it is very valuable. So we're going to end this video right here. If you guys have any questions, any comments, concerns, whatever, like I said, reach out to me. We can talk about it. I just wanted you to know about Modern States if you didn't know about it already, and add it to your arsenal of study resources. All right, guys. See you in the next video.